everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so in today's video, I am going to be doing a PR haul. This is the first PR haul that I've ever actually done on my channel. Being a smaller channel, my PR packages, are not going to be as excessive as someone with 1 million subscribers, of course. I've seen some PR hauls where the full background of the video is just boxes of things to show. That is obviously not the case with today's video, but I still do have quite a few things that I wanted to show you guys, as well as some discount codes and all of that I will stick in the description box below if you guys are interested in any of these pieces. I personally really like watching PR hauls myself because of that case. Like, you can definitely be influenced into shopping and to buying things, but there's always coupon codes for each of the pieces, and it might even be something that I'm actually looking for. But yeah, being a smaller channel, I don't always get PR. I go months, being completely dry with like no emails in my inbox or anything like that. But this was definitely a good month and I'm so blessed. So if you are a company that wants to reach out to me, I do have my email address down below in the description box. So let's get right into this PR haul. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now let's get started with Magic Bra. Okay, so their package comes like this. This is the only item that I'm probably gonna wear throughout today's video because I hate the current bra that I'm wearing right now. It's just so annoying. But this is Magic Bra and I can't wait to wear this a lot more and to just integrate this into my daily life. So packaging is really nice, very light. This also did not take very long to arrive here. I think it took about a week to get to Canada, so that's actually pretty good. They do come with this little thank you note right here. And I got the full coverage seamless bra, if you guys were wondering, and it comes in this packaging. I already did take this out and try it on and all that good stuff, so that's kind of why this looks a little weird. But there is a size guide, a washing guide, and all of that on the packaging, which is super helpful. And I do like to keep this type of packaging for other things, so I do recycle most of my packaging. And this is how the bra looks right here. Doesn't it look super comfortable? So it looks like this. It's gonna just go really well with what I'm wearing right now. It does have nude straps, which is really nice. You can definitely customize what color you get. And this is really cool because I've never actually had, besides sports bras, I've never actually had one that doesn't have that wire. The wire that's on the inside of all push-up bras. It's so annoying. I'm one of those people that I can't wait until the end of my work shift so that I can take it off because it's so uncomfortable. But this is super cool because it does have a thicker strap right here, completely adjustable. And then the hook and eye part does have many places that you can place this, so it's fully adjustable. Material is super nice. Like, this feels so comfortable. It is very lightly padded. So I'm actually gonna put this on for today's video because I'm annoyed with this Victoria's Secret one. BRB. Okay, so I am wearing this all awkwardly on the camera, but it is really comfy. I do wish I sized up though, just by like 1 cup size, because I feel like it is slightly, slightly tighter than I would want it to be. It does feel more like a sports bra. It does feel more like a compression sports bra, which I think that's how it's supposed to feel, to be completely honest, because it doesn't have any wires or anything like that. Other than that, it's really nice and super comfortable. So thank you, Magic Bra, for sending this to me. I do have a coupon code with them. It's LEI20 for 20% off. I will leave their link down below. And what I love about their brand is it strives to be, boutique inspired bras for a fraction of the price. So that is the first item I got in PR. Let's move on to Maelys. So Maelys reached out to me and I've never heard of their brand, but apparently they are available at Ulta and at Shoppers Drug Mart. We don't have Ulta in Canada. We have Shoppers Drug Mart though. I got sent 3 items from their site and they have some really cool items. The one that I've tried the most because it's summertime, it is the So Prepped Tan Accelerator, and it looks like this. This is actually what I took to BC on vacation with me because the packaging is so nice. It's like very, very travel friendly, lightweight. It's not like, you know, if you were to carry a Bath and Body Works lotion with you traveling. Honestly, those ones are way too big. I'll still do it on occasion, but I find those way too big. So this one is actually like a good size, I think. And this has a beautiful, beautiful coconut scent. It definitely smells like summer. And it is a white lotion. So if you're wondering if this is like a self tanner or something like that, that's not what this is. You actually have to wear this pretty consistently. You wear it every day for at least 7 days. And when you go out in the sun to tan, it does make you very nice and tan. I don't know. I know I'm super light already and I'm still probably super light to some people, but to me, I think that I'm pretty tanned as far as like just from being in the sun during my hikes and stuff like that. I still definitely wear a lot of sunscreen, but this definitely does help and I do think it works. So that one is by Maelys. I will leave their link in the description box as well. And then next up here, I have the Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip, and it looks like this. I have not used this yet, but it's still in this box and everything like that. And I thought, because I do a lot of night showers, that's usually when I shower is at night. I don't like going to bed when I feel like I'm sweaty or my skin is oily or anything like that, so I do night showers. And I thought that this would be really good as far as like helping me sleep and all that. So this is what it looks like right here. It's an overnight toning body whip. As according to the packaging, this is an overnight toning body whip that helps to visibly smooth, snatch, and tighten the look of curves while you sleep. And it has a drop of melatonin in here to help your skin. I think that's kind of what sold me with this. I like that it has melatonin because anything with melatonin to help me sleep, any type of lotion with melatonin is my preference for when I go to sleep. I don't like physically taking melatonin, but I actually do use a melatonin lotion on my feet currently. So that's why I got this. And then next up, I got the Be Thick Booty Enhancing Mask. So it looks like this. They have really, really cute packaging, by the way. I have not tried this yet, but I think I'll try it soon. The packaging on this one is bougie. It looks like a very expensive face cream. And I actually love this packaging. It's mirrored on the top. This is something that, you know, if you took this on like a girls trip or something, people would definitely ask you what that is and if it works because of the packaging. It's so pretty. So on the back of here, it says, Be Thick is a sorbet textured booty enhancing mask that hydrates and helps visibly tighten skin on your booty. With regular use, this booty enhancing mask helps the rear appear volumized, voluptuous, while assisting the skin in the area to stay tight, firm, and boosted. So it sounds like a really cool product. I've never used anything like it, but I've also found it super fun. So I decided to try this out as well. Next up, I got sent some bone broths by this brand called Siip. Siip is a Canadian brand that started as a restaurant and turned into a soup brand. So what's really cool about this is they are super travel friendly, they're lightweight, and they come in 3 flavors: chicken, beef, or vegan. I did get the vegan even though I'm not vegan because I will tell you why in a second, but let's start with the roasted chicken. So they are in this type of packaging. All you do is just basically boil a cup of water, put this in there and stir it up. You don't need a, you know, like a little whisk or anything like that. This actually blends super easily. I think that it would be a little better if you would put this in a thermos of hot water and then just shake it up. I think it would work better like that. You can also cook with this. You can add it to any one of your dishes. But I said yes to this collab because I did want to take this with me when I go backpacking this summer. I have at least 2 backpacking trips already, you know, booked and planned and all that. One that's kind of a backpacking trip, kind of not. It's for Lake O'Hara, so it's bus in, camp, and then bus out. So I am going on quite a few camping expeditions this summer, and I wanted something lightweight that I could carry in my backpack that doesn't take up any space. So yeah, that is the chicken one. It definitely tastes like a rotisserie chicken. Like, it's so good. Rotisserie chicken and broth. So this one was super yummy. And then I got the vegan broth, but I also got some samples of the beef one as well, so I get to try that out. I have not tried the mushroom one just yet, but I picked this because it does have shiitake, lion's mane, and chaga. So I love lion's mane. It's one of my favorite ingredients in products. I drink Joy Burst, which is like an electrolyte drink. It has lion's mane in it. I feel like lion's mane is very like naturally energizing and just really good for you. So that's why I picked this one out. And this is what it looks like. So that is my 2 Siip broths. Okay, next up, I got sent some jewelry from Jewelry on Light, and I have shown this in a video already. I've shown this in my BC vlog just in the beginning, and they sent me this little jewelry set right here, and they do have a giveaway on their site currently. So if you do want to get this for free, it is totally possible. I will leave their links down below as well. And I did pick out this one, which I have been actually wearing. So it is a really cute crystal bracelet with a turtle charm, and I think it's so adorable. I do like the white crystals on there. It does also come with a gold ring, and I'm just gonna pop this on. It's just a simple gold band, so it definitely goes with everything. And then it also comes with this gold bracelet that looks like this. I'm not gonna fully put it on, but these two look so good together. And this bracelet is adjustable, and I do think that this bracelet is not adjustable, but it is stretchy. So if you have a bigger wrist, I'm sure that this will fit you as well. So this is such a cute little gift set, and you could definitely give this away to your friend as well because it's in the cutest little gift box packaging. Next up, I got sent a pair of shoes from Dbeck. I have worked with Dbeck before. They sent me a pair of trail shoes last year, and they have contacted me again, and they sent me these pair of shoes right here. One of my favorite things about this, it comes in this drawstring net, which is so nice because if these get wet, you can definitely like put these in here to dry. You can stick these on your backpack, and that is what I use them for. Sorry, they're a little bit dirty right now, but I wore these last week when I was backpacking. These were my camp shoes. So I think camp shoes are so necessary when you're backpacking or when you're camping in general, because putting on hiking boots every day is just super uncomfortable. I personally don't like wearing my hiking boots other than when I'm actually hiking. I find them really hot, especially when the weather is hot outside and it's plus 30. Putting on a pair of hiking boots, it's constricting, it's hot, and I just don't want to be wearing them for no reason just around camp. So these are light enough to just clip to the back of your backpacking pack. I've worn these in the river, so you can definitely wear these for river crossings because they do have a nice grip here at the bottom, and they are so lightweight. That's another thing I love about these, is that they're so lightweight. They can just clip on the back of your backpacking pack and you don't feel them at all. They stay on as well because they do have this at the back of the shoe, so they stay on your foot. They're not just like slip-in shoes. They're so breathable, and if they get wet, they actually dry really quickly. So I am so in love with these. I have replaced these as my water shoes. I was obsessed with the pair of water shoes I had, but they were like so flimsy, but I use those for river crossings all the time, and I think that these are so much better. I am probably gonna take these with me tomorrow as well. I'm doing a lake hike, but I will be probably going into the lake, and lake bottoms in the mountains are usually very rocky, so these are going to be really nice to put on there. So yeah, love these shoes from Dbeck. Everything I've tried from Dbeck, by the way, has been amazing, so these are great. Okay, and last but not least, I am doing a collab with Temu. Okay, so I heard about Temu a while ago, and I'm sure you guys have as well. There's a lot of people here on YouTube that have either worked with Temu or they have done, you know, just Temu hauls in general. However, I am not gonna lie, I was actually waiting and hoping that they would reach out to me before I purchased from their website, and they actually did reach out to me. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview. I'm not gonna be showing you everything. I haven't actually gotten my second package just yet. They actually sent me it in 2 pieces. So they sent me one package of a bunch of things and then another package with a bunch of things. So I will be doing a whole dedicated video to Temu, but I'm gonna be showing you guys what I received so far, and it came in this packaging right here. I got some car accessories. I got this for like the back of one of my seats. I am gonna probably be doing another like car tour, car makeover situation. I really do wanna buy a brand new car, but it's not really attainable at this current time, unfortunately. So I just want to make the current car that I have just prettier and just do like a car makeover. So this actually goes at the back of your seat, and you can just stuff a bunch of things in here. It's just like an extra little pocket. I also got this to match, and this is a sunglasses case. It actually goes on your visor right there, so it clips on your visor and you can put your sunglasses in here. It's also a really good quality hard case, which is really nice, and it's all blinged up. Got this because I lose my scrunchies all the time and I just don't know where they go. I know that I put a bunch of them in the wash, and I feel like it's one of those things that just go missing. And I feel like at one point I had so many scrunchies. I actually used to order them from Shein. Every Shein order I would add a bunch of scrunchies to my cart, but I just can't find them. And I only like the ones that are silk just because they're not as damaging on your hair, and you can literally just put them on your wrist. They don't like leave an indent in your wrist or anything like that. So I got these, and they're really pretty. I get the fun colors. I don't get like neutral colors or anything like that. Next up, I got a little wallet here, and this is just a Polly Pocket wallet. I just thought it was so cute. It has a little Polly charm right there. I am gonna be taking everything out of the packaging once I do my Temu haul video, but that is that. It's very cute. It has pink on the outside and then like teal on the inside. It also has an ID holder on the back. I don't know how often I'm gonna be using this, but I thought it was super cute and fun. I also got this pair of earrings right here. They are grapes. They're like crystal grapes. I think these are so cute. I never used to be a person that would wear stud earrings. I would always wear like the dangly ones, like the ones I'm wearing today. But I have been super into stud earrings for the past like maybe 4 years now, and I'm just obsessed with them. So I think that those are really adorable. And last but not least, these are kind of like a replacement because the ones in my car, I literally put the seats down one time in my life to put tires into my car, and one of the tires I think was like on top of the one that I currently have, and it broke. So I wanted a new one. Basically, these go at the back of your seats. Again, rhinestone bling blinged up. But yeah, these go at the back of your seats and you can hang things from them. Back when we were in the middle of COVID and all of that, these were really good for hanging masks on. You can hang coats from here. You can hang your lunch kit from here. You can hang literally everything, your purse maybe. So these come in so handy, and if you don't have these for your car, definitely get some. And don't get them on Amazon, they're way too expensive. You can get them on Temu for a lot cheaper. So that is the last thing that I got from them so far. I'm going to be doing, like I said, a full Temu haul and review, unboxing everything in the near future. I'm just waiting for my second package to arrive. But that is all. That is everything for my PR haul. Thank you all of the companies that have emailed me and asked to work with me. Thank you so much for all of these items. I'm just so blessed and so happy, to be honest. Like, I'm so humbled. Every time I get sent something, I just get so happy. Every time I get to work with a new company, I get so happy. And yeah, that is all for this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made